Hi everyone, in this video I am going to solve a nice Math Olympiad problem which was set for Iran Math Olympiad contest. This problem is we have to find the value of function of 1 where function of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Now putting x is equal to 1 in this function, we will have function of 1 is equal to the value of x is 1, so 1 square minus value of x is 1 plus 1. So function of 1 is equal to 1 square is 1, and this negative 1 and positive 1 will cancel out. So the value of function of 1 is equal to 1. Now putting x is equal to function of x here, we will have x is equal to function of x. So we will get function of x is equal to function of x is equal to function of x whole square minus x is equal to function of x plus 1. Now putting x is equal to 1 in this function, we will get, when the value of x is equal to 1, then function of 1 is equal to value of x is 1, so function of 1 whole square minus function of 1 plus 1. As function of 1 is 1, so substituting this as 1, we will have function of the value of function of 1 is 1, so we will get function of 1 is equal to right side function of 1 whole square minus function of 1 plus 1, or taking this function of 1 to right side, we will have 0 is equal to function of 1 whole square minus function of 1 plus 1 minus this function of 1, or 0 is equal to function of 1 whole square, and negative function of 1 minus function of 1 is negative 2 times function of 1 plus this 1, or 0 is equal to, we can write it as function of 1 whole square minus 2 times function of 1 times 1 plus 1 square, or 0 is equal to, according to this formula, a square minus twice ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. We can write it as function of 1 minus 1 whole square, or taking square root to both sides, we can write square root of 0 is 0 is equal to right side square root, and this square will cancel out, so it will remain function of 1 minus 1, or taking this 1 to left side, we will have 0 plus 1 is 1 is equal to function of 1. Now exchanging side, we will have function of 1 is equal to 1. So this is the value of function of 1. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.